Hello friends, Del here. We've just affixed our pole to our brand new tricolor patriotic birdhouse. These are the clamps that we used. We used these screws, and if you'll recall, 2 separate videos we did, was it 2 years ago, that we use this tool a lot. So we use this to shoot the screws. It's entirely wireless and it recharges and holds the charge pretty well. And then this was for the pilot holes if we needed them. Also another video on this one. So I'll rotate this for you to show you the panel. And in the behind me here, we previously took a post hole digger and dug a hole for the. There's what do we got? 2 of them here.
Yeah, 2 of them.
Yeah, we got two of these. And after we dug the hole, we put some of this like pea gravel in there. And we also took a sledgehammer to the top and pounded it in. So it's not only a hole that we dug, but we pounded it in about that much further. It wiggles a little bit, but it's in there solidly for our purposes. And I'm pretty happy about this. And here's what the front of the birdhouse looks like. You can see the little perch there. And you also, the idea, we'll be able to watch. The sun will power the camera. I don't know if you can see that in there. You see that camera? That white thing there is the camera. And then you can see the perch here where the birds are going to come in. And it's a nifty little outfit. And what we're going to do now is somehow run this pipe down a little bit more so it comes up here.
That's the magnetic back. This is the camera.
Oh, I see. So that was what I just showed you, was just the magnetic outfit where the camera attaches to. So that's on me. And we've got a top to it as well, which is over there. This is what the top, this was put together by a superb carpenter. And
We'll do it 3 pieces.
so I'm holding the top.
You're just kind of, no, don't go any higher. Don't go any higher. Nobody's holding that ladder.
If anything goes a step lower.
Can't go down now.
Okay.
Slow. Get your fingers out of there.
Slowly lower.
Now we're going to have to twist.
What we just did was adjust the pole off the birdhouse so that the birdhouse is on top without any pole, because otherwise the top went to fit on. And then we tightened up the screws, affixing the birdhouse to the pole. And then I got up on the ladder, and we fit the, where does that fit? Right in here. We put the pole in. So we've got 3 poles. The first one is pounded pretty far into the ground. And so there it is. And apparently, from what I'm told, is that sun panel there doesn't have to be directly into the sun. And we'll see if it works this way. If not, we'll just adjust it. There you have it, our patriotic birdhouse. And we've checked off of the cell phone, we've checked the camera to see that it's working. So that's what the power panel is for, and then also there's a battery involved. There you have it. Got it first. Nifty birdhouse. How to do it.